Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can show or hide the accessibility shortcut during guided access session on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on Settings, and in Settings, swipe up to go down and tap on Accessibility. Then we go down and tap on Guided Access. In here, tap on Accessibility Shortcut. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. When you triple click the side button during a guided access session, accessibility shortcut settings will be displayed. So if I turn on guided access now, and I'll tap on the start button, and you can see that during the session, if I triple click on the side button, I can access the accessibility shortcuts. And if I turn it off, then during the guided session, I will not be able to access this menu at all. So I'm just going to turn off guided access. So I'm just going to triple click and turn off guided access. And here now, if I switch it off and if I start a guided access session, you can see this time if I try to triple click on the side button, it will not open up the accessibility shortcuts. Instead, it will show, it will allow me to end guided access. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.